What are my workplace privacy rights for biometrics? Imagine walking into your workplace and being asked to scan your face or fingerprint every day. It might seem convenient, but what rights do you have over that data? Let's find out. Biometric data includes fingerprints, facial features, iris scans, and voice prints. These are unique to each person and cannot be changed like a password. Because of this, collecting biometric data raises serious privacy questions. Employers must tell you in writing if they want to collect your biometric data. This notice should explain how they will use, store, and protect your information. You have the right to know exactly what data is being collected and why. Before collecting any biometric data, your employer must get your written consent. This means you agree after understanding how your data will be used. If you do not want to give consent, you can refuse without facing penalties. Your employer can only collect biometric data for specific reasons, like security access or time tracking. They cannot use it for unrelated purposes. Also, they should only keep your data as long as needed, usually no longer than 3 years after your last interaction. Employers are responsible for protecting your biometric data. They must use reasonable security measures to prevent unauthorized access or leaks. This might include secure storage and limited access controls. They cannot share your biometric information without your explicit permission, unless required by law. If your employer violates these rules, you have the right to take legal action. You can sue for damages even if you do not prove actual harm. Penalties can include fines or statutory damages for violations. Laws about biometric privacy vary by state. For example, Illinois has the Biometric Information Privacy Act, which enforces strict rules on notice, consent, and data handling. Some states like Colorado restrict employers from tracking employee locations or monitoring software through biometrics. As an employee, you should receive clear written policies explaining how your biometric data is collected and used. You can ask questions or refuse consent if you feel uncomfortable. If your employer collects biometric data without proper notice or consent, you might have grounds for a legal claim. If you work in multiple states, your employer must follow the laws applicable in each location. This includes remote or part-time work. Your rights are designed to balance your privacy with your employer's need for security and efficiency. Remember, your biometric privacy rights are there to protect you from misuse and ensure transparency. Employers should always be upfront about data collection, get your clear consent, and keep your information safe. Staying informed helps you maintain control over your personal data at work.